Hello, nice to meet you. It's a big honor for me to present our research at Intelligent System Conference 2022. My name is Hyun Jo. I am PhD in Management Engineering. The name of the company I belong to is Realsecu, and we pursue information security. The research topic is Intrusion Detection System for Industrial Network. With the expansion of infrastructure, PLC is computerized controller for the control of manufacturing processes, including massive industrial operations. PLC manages the industrial infrastructure as a whole. The PLC is controlled via industrial control systems, supervisory control, and data acquisition. Hereafter, ICS SCADA. However, it is vulnerable to security attack compared to other information and communication technologies. In this context, it is necessary to develop and study intrusion detection systems, IDS, for industrial networks. This study proposes three components of an intrusion detection system to protect industrial networks. The first one is the illegal access prevention technology. The second one is the illegal access prevention subsystem. And the third is the control process monitoring and command validation block. The purpose of this study is to develop a system that detects intrusion and defense against cyber attacks. The attacks could propagate malware or abnormal process control commands to networks composed of PLC. So this work built and applied a filter needed to configure the defense in-depth function. We designed the user interface necessary for the user to check the operation status. Figure is a screen showing the results of monitoring illegal access. The screen consists of event time, alert source, alert time, IP address, port, protocol action, and counter. This figure displays a screen detecting illegal access in the process of receiving and recording the control signal. During the entire receiving and recording process, the packet 4041 was the subject of a warning. This slide details the code program to prevent illegal access. We constructed an algorithm based on packet payload and packet length. The system developed in this work are mainly used for dams, power plants, and water purification plants. In these environments, even if your user logs in as a normal root, an abnormal operation state may occur due to incorrect control setting information. There is a high possibility that it will lead to a major accident. To prevent dangerous situations, this research developed and applied technology to detect and defend unauthorized systems, unauthorized services, and unauthorized commands. Figure illustrates the screen on which the developed program is operated. Setting configuration consists of system access control and communication access control. This slide describes the operation screen of the system detecting abnormal traffic. The proposed system checks all the detailed attributes of the packet to determine whether there is a illegal access or not. This figure shows the screen using the developed function for protocol setting. User can select its zone in the left column, the upper screen is for setting access control, and the lower screen is for setting the control protocol. In the control protocol settings, users can select the SRC system, SRC IP address, DST system, DST IP address, source, destination, function, code, and action. We evaluate our proposed system to validate performance. Procedures are as follows. Through setting software, the following operations were automatically repeated 2,000 times. The results were also automatically recorded. We created 5 normal access and 5 illegal accesses, respectively. We defined the number for each access. We randomly selected one of the 10 accesses and connected to a system that controls logic controllers. As you can see, the unauthorized IP blocking rate is 100%, and illegal access monitoring rate also be recorded 100%. We carried out the following procedures to measure the time to inspect the Ethernet port link, or also we undertook the following procedures to confirm the speed to analyze abnormal content in system. The results are as follows. This study makes a new contribution to the literature on intrusion detection in that it prepares countermeasures by presenting various cases of illegal access and developing a validation block. This research provides practical value in that it designed sophisticated UI UX for intrusion detection and security management. Officials can use the setting screen to respond to potential security threats and defend themselves more systematically. Thank you for listening.